Have you ever wondered how important is your degree and academic qualification? There comes a point in our life when we feel confused about our career and ponder whether the textbooks have taught us anything. In this video we discuss about the relevance of your academic competence. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about our latest updates. Number 1. Theory versus practical. There is a growing concern about students becoming too dull and lacking problem-solving skills today. Why do you think it is? Because theory can be very useful in your life to demonstrate your knowledge, but you cannot emphasize enough the need of practical exposure. Academic qualifications are of utmost importance, but only when it is accompanied by some practical experience. For example, pursuing internship in a good company is the best way to gain practical knowledge in your field of work. Practical experience will help you fight real-life problems and will expose you to the circumstances that will increase your intelligence. We don't intend to degrade the relevance of academic competence, but think for yourself. Will you be able to do field work with only information? Number 2. Importance of extracurricular activities. When we talk about the relevance of academic competence, we also refer to the other activities associated with it. Academic qualification is not only about being knowledgeable, but also about learning real-life issues. Different extracurricular activities expose you to responsibilities, competition, and real craft. Participate in painting, singing, sports, debating, etc. in your school level. When you reach your college, you will get the scope to engage in college fests and events, where you will have to handle the work. Number 3. Role of internships. Internships and training programs are gaining momentum today. Internships give you an insight into how actually the work is done in an organization. An internship experience will help you to perform when you are actually working in the professional capacity later in your life. Practical experience gives light to your theoretical knowledge. You can analyze your knowledge when you act as trainee or intern with an organization. Also, internships will help you find out what area you specialize in and where your interests lie. Don't you think your academic qualification must include such exposure to equip yourself with absolute experience? Number 4. Problem-solving ability. When we talk about academic competence, we mean both practical and academic qualification. It is assumed that when you are good in academics, you have good critical thinking ability. This is what companies search for in their candidates. If you think you lack in some way in your academic qualification, be ready to face the heat. But, if you can improve yourself in some way, you will be fine. Of course, this is not an absolute criteria that you must be good in to make it good in life. It is just a common perception and invariably holds a lot of importance in your career. The relevance of academic competence in your life can sometimes be questionable, for not every scholar has good problem-solving ability. There are always exceptions. You should make use of your practical experience to improve your logical analysis. Hopefully, you have learned something positive out of this video. So, what do you think is the relevance of academic competence in somebody's life? Is it only for the sake of a degree or has substantial influence over one's career? We think that nothing is absolute. Finding your strength is the only way by which you can succeed in your life. If you can make good use of your academic competence, then well and good. If not, then you are free to explore your own interests. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.